With everything going on, we thought it'd be a good idea to jump on here and offer some cleaning and decontaminating tips for your Haix boots. We all know firefighters, EMTs, and law enforcement officers can come in contact with blood or bodily fluids almost on a daily basis. That's why it's important to keep your boots in tip-top shape. And while we can't 100% guarantee the non-transmission of COVID-19 pathogens or other viruses, we can offer you some good tips to keep you and your boots protected. For the outside of your Haix boots, most cleaning can be done with a soft cloth or brush and simply using some mild soap and water. If you think you've had potential exposure to some type of chemical, virus, bacteria, or fungus, here are some recommendations for cleaning and disinfecting your Haix boots. First thing you'll want to do is stop using your boots until you can get them cleaned. Using protective gloves, simply hand wash your Haix boots in a sink or tub like this one using warm water and a wet shoe brush. The one that we sell online here is perfect for the job. Don't scrub too hard or use a hard brush, as that can lead to abrasions on your boots. Don't use saddle soaps or soaps containing fats. Do not use bleach or chlorinated detergents, as even small amounts of these can lead to a reduction in the protective qualities of your boots. Mild soap is what we recommend. Keep the water under 110 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want, you can take the insole out and throw them in the washing machine on a delicate setting using cold water, then air dry. Also, it's important to air dry your boots. If you do not have a drying rack to use, we recommend drying them away from direct or indirect sunlight. Do not use a dryer, oven, or radiator. Dry them slowly for best results. We recommend decontaminating the exterior of the boot with a disinfectant spray with an EPA 4 toxicity rating. This is the lowest rating assigned by the federal EPA that will not cause skin irritation like you might see with other disinfectants, and this one's safe on leather. Keep in mind your disinfectant should not have alcohol, bleach, or other toxins. One disinfectant we recommend is Pure Green 24, and be sure to follow their directions for use. Now, once your boots are clean and dry, you can maintain a clean, polished look using a professional grade silicone-based polish like this one that's available on our web shop. If you use a petroleum-based polish, those can be flammable and could potentially reduce the flame and heat resistance of your boots. We hope this video was helpful, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Appreciate you tuning in, and thanks to everyone for choosing Haix.